Choosing a poor performing or bulky WordPress theme. Having worked with tens of thousands of real estate agents, brokers, and web developers, a poor performing or bulky WordPress theme is often one of the hiccups that I've seen delay the launch of a new real estate website. This can often even cause ongoing issues for the agent as well. Many people look for a quote real estate specific theme when buying a new theme, or they read about how the visual builder makes creating a new website easier. While there are some incredible WordPress themes, most real estate specific themes are bulky and may slow down your site unless you're paying for a very premium host, and they can cause issues with your property search that you pick. The fix? Do not choose a real estate specific WordPress theme from one of the marketplaces where you can buy a theme. Also, be careful of the list style articles unless they're written by a web developer that they himself have set up dozens or even hundreds of real estate websites. While these list style articles, like the top 10 WordPress themes for, may be great for links to their article and generating traffic for them, they're generally written from a quick Google search rather than from experience and research. Instead, look for a highly rated theme where people have specifically mentioned SEO and page speed. And if you're working with a solid web developer, the themes that are included with WordPress can be great as well, because much of the experience for your clients and your lead generation tools are going to be delivered by your IDX solution that you add to the site. Now, we also maintain a list of the best themes for agents, real estate teams, and even broker websites. And we've reviewed thousands of WordPress themes and are able to see the themes that work well for tens of thousands of agents and realtors, as well as those that may cause a headache. So just ask our concierge team for the updated list.